Yeah, that was good.
Mayor, that looked like you were having fun there. What is it?
Yeah, no, it was something different. It's not the first time I've done it. I've done it over at the Riverside Apartments.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, yeah, you jumped in there and knew what you were doing.
Yeah, no, I had an idea of what to do, but this is good for the city, getting rid of the blight buildings in town. And when I first came into office, we had 10 that we got rid of right away. So this is, ongoing process.
Gotcha.